Come on, people. The next crab video in here, see me? Whole heap of rain fall. Yeah, grab the bag them. There. Whole heap of rain fall and thing. Check out the crab bush, you know? The crab killer, yeah. Yeah, crab killer, yeah, dude. See you, gloves? Yeah, man. Right, on the people. Water with a juk ng water na. I want to fly on the breeze now, bro. You more funny, more bored funny there. Yeah, man, see the mangrove now. See what can go on, you know. We will come over, man. The rain fall hard. Holy for water. Oh, on the side. So we're going to take water, whole heap. That means the mangrove is supposed to be full of water, you know. Holy people. Nothing yet still. Go and look, you know. What a crocs are a dog? Dog. People, some first crab tonight, yeah. First one this night. Big boy. Come here. Aye. First one this night, you see him? Nice. Yeah, nice size. Man. This is one, see him? Jump to escape now. Get him. Ay. Don't make him escape. Don't make him. See there? We're going. Second one this night, you know. We get a dozen of them here at 3 nights. See him? Yes, man. Nice man one, like him losing claw before though. Go on, the bag. One more there. So from there, whole edge. I think I'm over most people. Oh, you're gone. Gone. Oh, wait. Still there now. You can't get me. Alright. See him, people. Grab him. See him? Sorry. Ay. You wanna pinch me? Go down my back. I third on peanut people. Third on that. And by now, 1 dozen more. I'm here, right? We not take more than what we don't want. all marinate something. See me I say. Come on. Alright. Roof top there, people. Yeah man, out nice car there, you know? Up on the roof. Okay, black up. Like the radio on here, you know? They are trying to see if we can beat it, you know? Man. Crab season done, you know? But I got to give them level crab, yeah? Yes, man, see them there? Yeah? 11 of them. Good. Yes, man. Until next year again, crab bush again in the car. Right now, pour them on here. Pour them well bad. And the pepper well hot. And thing, you know? Yes, man. Right, man. Yes, man. Alright, I go and master them bad people. Holy poly for mosquito in that place. Yeah, man. Moon looks too bad night, yeah. Like rain on fall soon and very soon. No star now. Man. Only I'll just start hot, eh? See them almost finished cut up.
Let's go bush like that.
Yeah. Here comes the story now. Let me say. This way. Yeah. On paper. Then at night the visual now a bit too good enough, so beard me here. Oh. I'm playing out, man. I'm not smelling. There's something in silent.
What's that again?
Oh. Me da hope you a dozen, but 11 I get. Good, give thanks to that, yeah?
We're not done, we're not far down, man. That's why they when it's a tear. Never they tear over it.
Go long.
Grabbing a big old pot there. Let's keep a piece of it back in our place, you know. Let's get the spoon and thing. And stir it up like that. And the pieces come up and everything. Stir it up. Very good on here. And you think you know what style. Nice curry crab. By the way, today in the Monday, oh my word. Monday night. One bad chicken on a side, I know. Oh God, man.
Oh, it's mongrel, lad. Mongrel. And you know, and the crab pot again. You're stirring up the pot right now. Why? The finger licking good. Good. Yeah, man, Tima. Finger licking good, banana. Colonel boy. No.
Pot go on, bubble and simmer around.
Come on, people, the next 10 minutes, you know? That. Yes, man.
Alright. It's not too bad. Oh. That one dry right now, you too. You know, so fully active. Oh.
Yes, man. Party get big on people, watch out. So I go on. Yes, man, alright, man. Yes, man, people, me kiss on, man. What? What is what? Think I'm looking good.
Oh my word!
Think I can't see alone can make you lick off a finger, them.
The blue yes, boy.
You don't know people, I set up a light up, I don't know. Come by pot.
What's that job? Stop up.
Come on, people, you see? Aight, man. Come on. Big up these yet damage like cap on the camera, you see me? Boss, that, yeah, man. To the chef, yeah?
One damage, you know? No other damage but damage.
Yes, man. Aight, man.
Any boy else name damage? Copy him name.
Single looking good people. Sorry for the post now, right? It's hot. Sorry for the post now, right now. See? Want to thank you who watch my video and thing, you know. Well, I'm going to eat food or some more. I'm mad at some enough eat food and more. Some bite out my tongue, you see me? Yes, so you hear me out there. Thanks for watching my video, you see me? Look forward to the next one. Camping and thing. Please like, subscribe, share. Jamaica Adventures. Yo!